So how do I know? How do I tell?
Well, it will take a moment or two, but once it starts sending content, which it now is, so we should now be going live, and in a few seconds it will then appear on the website.
So if I just leave it on the thingy site.
It might do, yes.
See what it says.
Yeah. But right, okay. So would you like to describe
I would like to describe my challenge is this. Simply that this is a microwave. Oh, you're sitting the wrong side. Well, if you were sitting around this side,
we'll pivot it. Yeah.
You'll be able to see that there's a
okay. Right.
A hole there, which is literally a hole, a triangular-shaped hole, that this was slotted into over it.
You need that replaced.
Yeah, well, I don't know what that is. I mean, what I don't know is what on earth it's made of.
Yes.
I mean, this is a very old microwave that I don't think they make anymore because I tried looking it up. It belonged to my mother who died in 2004.
Right.
But what kind?
Yes, you need.
I mean, I could if I could know what it was, I could almost cut a piece.
That's right. Yes, it's obviously got to be both heat resistant and also allow. Presumably, it's where the microwaves are being generated, isn't it? I guess.
I presume so, because that's where the sort of engine thing, whatever the engine is there.
Let's turn it around a bit again so we can have a look.
And there are ventilation holes, which probably
above.
Yes.
But
I didn't know whether it would be safe to use it without that thing. I didn't really want to risk it.
No. It's probably as much protecting the electronics of the microwave emitter from any debris.
Yes, and protecting the food from.
Protecting the food.
I don't know what.
No, I think it's more about protecting the microwave generator from getting contaminated.
Yes.
Now, the question would be: do you think there's a suitable glue?
No.
So,
no, you wouldn't do that.
Because the glue would have to withstand the
microwave would just melt.
Yeah.
Need to.
Yeah.
Have you got a? Is there a mesh or something?
Maybe it was just glued on?
No, it just literally you could slip it in and out. You slot it in and out.
I see.
And what had happened is.
So there's little flanges are there?
And when it's all in one piece, you can slot it in and out.
The other pieces then?
That is the other piece.
I see. I see. With the two notches. But
with this bit actually broken off, it won't stay in place.
Yes.
Whereas if it had that little bit broken off, because that's on the side that's covered by the plastic anyway, it wouldn't matter. But the trouble is, because it's not on, it won't actually stay in place.
And have you had a look at online as to whether or not anyone supplies these?
Well, I looked up this microwave, and that's no longer going.
No.
So I didn't quite know.
Yeah. And as you say, whether or not there is. I mean, I don't know what you would call it to be able to find. Yes, indeed. That's right. Yes. Yeah.
And my daughter has a microwave, which I looked inside. It's a more modern one, and it doesn't have one of those. So
right.
It doesn't. I couldn't sort of ask her what hers was.
Let's have a quick look. So is there
maybe.
I mean, modern microwaves might not have them. Yeah, that's right. Yes.
Yes.
So it's actually like a.
It's sort of.
It's like.
And it's flaky as well. It's not. It's got multiple surfaces on it. You can see a surface there and a hard one.
Yeah.
I have no idea what it is. It's an odd looking. Look, it shines.
You need a specialist.
And it's sort of. I have no idea what it is.
Okay, all right. So there are things called emitter covers, formerly called a waveguide cover or microsheet. Microsheet should be replaced immediately if you notice sparking, arcing, or food buildup, as it protects the internal magnetron from food particles and moisture. These covers are typically made of micro material, are inexpensive to replace, often costing between £1 and £10.
Right.
There's your AI overview. Whether or not that's accurate, but okay. Where to buy? Online marketplaces, Amazon and eBay sell 5-piece packs of microsheets. So you might well be able to buy a microsheet.
I'm going to write this down on my phone. It's called hold on. Yes. That's called a microsheet.
Yes. So you might be able to source one, as you say, to be able to cut it to size.
Or even if I could just buy a piece of microsheet.
Yeah, that's right.
Cut round with my Stanley knife. Then maybe that would work. Oh, I've just lost a page. Hold on.
All I did was search for old microwave emitter cover.
Emitter cover.
That's because that's the original name.
Is that? Can I?
Yeah. Yeah, do that. Yeah.
Because sometimes I'm lost for.
Well, it often is about knowing what to search for.
Yes.
About knowing the terminology
that
that applies.
The bit that's broken that covers
right.
up the hole on the microwave isn't really very helpful.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's not, your paint is still.
It's still in one piece, yeah. So, and the screen is still in one.
Yeah, the whole thing is fine. It's just that.
Otherwise, right? Okay. Yeah.
You often find them taking the paint.
Oh, really? Okay. I mean, I don't suppose it's had as much use. I don't microwave everything 24 hours a day, and nor did my mother.
Yeah.
It gets used, sort of occasionally, as opposed to all the time. So maybe that's why it's in not such bad condition.
Okay.
Okay. Well, thank you. I'll go online.
Go and give that a
I
go.
can find it.
The outside is slightly, yes, but I think that's just that's.
Is that age?
That's okay. I mean, to be honest, I think that's okay.
That's bubbling it.
Yeah, but that's cosmetic.
Yes.
The main functional part is the grid that's behind, which is protecting you from the microwave.
Yes.
So I think that's cosmetic. That's fine.
Okay, brilliant.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, thank you.
You can count that as a fix from a point of a resolution that hopefully you'll be able to solve
Yes,
this
I
time.
will. Thank you very much indeed.
Not
Right, I'm now going to put it back in the bag. And
Right, okay. Thanks for your assistance.
That's the dodgy bit. Right. Okay.
We'll stop the live stream at that point.
What
And
I
then,
did before, I had that was it. My scarf was in.
you weren't cooking your scarf.
No, I wasn't doing my scarf, but I'm
We'll
quite
put
sure.
that in there. I'll put it in there. Yeah. Then,
in there, couldn't I?
yes. At least you know you've got to keep it as a template, haven't you?
Right. And the problem is
Getting it back in the bag.
No, she must have lost it or it got broken or something. So I found that was the right. That works. So really? Wait, I mean, is it? Yes, that's perfectly right.
With the bag now. You put on the side.
Goes in that way, this way.
Yeah.
I just found I could carry it slightly more easily in the bag than I could on its own. And it's got that sticking out bit at the back, which stops it going too close to the wall. Okay. Squeeze up the plants. Right, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Right, I'm now going to inquire about specifically three sandwiches. Well,
we discovered what replacement part.
I've got to go online and see if I can find the thing that I have no idea what it was called.
You understand, our insurance bans from doing fridge freezers and microwaves and electric things on the basis that for some reason they're more likely to kill you.
Oh, right, okay. But it wasn't a mechanical.
So that's why I know that. You made that clear. Yes. I didn't like you saying no.
Yes.
And I'm pleased if we can help more.
Yes.
Yes. Thanks for bringing it in.
No, you're very well.
I can't do it without you.
Well, I've got a time machine.
Just checking the live stream's gone out okay. So that's,
You're here on
the YouTube side. So if you go that side, and let me just get it started again. And I might need to get some tools. I'll get those ready before I sit
We bought it last month. Saw an American guy yesterday. And he said,
I was just about to start doing the toast on here. But do you want? Are you okay on a little table, mate? Or would you rather?
I don't know.
Just hold it. Stick it on the end, and then Nick can work on the end while we're using this table for the toaster.
okay.
Have a couple of chairs. Nick will have a look at it for you. We can get you another chair if need be, Nick. Here we go. Nick, can I pass you that? There you go.
So it wasn't working at all last month. And also the fuse
Right. Okay. Let's start the live stream. So yes, just to explain, we have a YouTube website for Haringey fixers, and the game plan is that we let's pivot that so you're on camera a bit more, and the idea is that it's both an opportunity to display the sort of work that we're doing, and the intention is that potentially we can have other fixers that join us on the live session and provide other thoughts and ideas about what we might be able to do to fix. That's the thinking. Anyway, so do you want to describe what the problems are?
The problem is it doesn't stay down, and there's no power when it's down. If I hold it down, it's not.
There's no connection. So
not power.
Right, and
I tried the fuse and a few other things that it suggested on YouTube.
Right.
Like cleaning it out.
Yeah. So what we might find,
solenoid, I guess, might be the problem. Yeah. I don't know how you test it.
We're going to have a quick look. I've certainly done a similar sort of thing with my own toaster. So hopefully we'll be able to. Find the right end. The standards. What would be your thoughts about having a go at taking it apart yourself? Because I mean, ultimately, you have done.
Yes.
Oh well, this one already.
Yes.
Oh right. Okay. Apologies. Okay. So how far did you get, and what did you find?
Well, I just went through a few of the things they said to test.
Okay.
None of them seemed to. I couldn't.
And you
find
can obviously see.
I didn't know about solenoid, testing the solenoid. That I didn't know.
Yes.
I mean, the problem.
Yeah. I mean, the challenge with testing a solenoid is that they are probably operating at temperatures that we're unable to generate without it working, and that'll be the challenge, because it's obviously designed to heat up with the heat of the toaster.
Just for knocking it up, then the solenoid. It's not for getting it to work.
I mean, I suppose what we might find is that if I remember rightly, there will obviously be a mechanism of some sort which you may have found, which is that it will only engage the latch for the handle staying down if it's confident that there is safety measures of power going into the device, and if the solenoid is in a position where so presumably this just pulled off.
Twist off, I think.
It twists off.
I think it twists off. If
if the solenoid that tells the mechanism that it's been on long enough is maybe stuck in which way around would it be? So basically, if it's in a position as if it's done toast, then it will basically say you don't need any more power.
Yes.
That would be my reckoning. So. Right. So that comes down and obviously makes the connection across there. Yeah. And so let me just get a. We'll just check connectivity.
So many years, it just it's all said that one of those needed to be soldered in.
Someone accidentally sent the root note send this person the usual dismissive network. You need paper to do this kind of thing. So they have
Right, that from Where's? I mean, it's, I think fairly evidently it's going to connect across these bits here, but we'll see where else it's. We might need to check. So basically, so you can help me here. If you push that down, we'll just check that. So in theory, you are a little bit. What's you got it on?
On maximum.
I would have thought it should, in theory, it should go. Yeah, it should bleep. So intriguing that. Ah, right. Well, of course, no. Yes. So it's, of course, it's not connection. I was checking the wrong thing. So basically, it's going to be: are we getting connectivity across those two? Yes. And are we getting connectivity across those two? Yep. Okay. So we know that bit of it's functioning, and then obviously the other bit is, well, in theory, when it comes down, that so you can see there's your latching mechanism.
Yeah.
And obviously, so what is it that, right, so there is there's a solenoid underneath that it will only get power when it's happy to engage. So really, what is it that it's dependent on for invoking that magnet? And I suppose one of the things will be this dial. What are we on? Well, let's put it on max. But of course, it won't. Of course, we're not plugged in, so it won't. But we could, as long as you're happy to do that.
That's what I was doing. To see what was wrong.
Right. Okay. Don't do this at home, folks. Right. So I put it on max. Let's just try again. So okay, the solenoid is not engaging even with it on max. And what do these? Just make sure neither of these buttons they don't light up or anything to show you press them, do they?
I don't. I'm not sure what they.
Well, that one looks like it's like a frost, like if you were deeper.
I can't remember what the other one does.
You might have thought. Right. Let's just check voltage. Let's see where we're getting. Voltage. Yes. So one would expect that one of these should be live, shouldn't they? So if we go from, where's my if I do on the body. Not that one. No, only getting about 1 volt on those. Make sure I'm on the right setting. Yeah, AC rod and DC, 600. So we're going to get nothing that says AC on there. Right, okay. Well, let's just try source. So let's try. Where does the power come in? Comes in. Interesting that it goes through there. Oh, that one on you plug it into isn't on. But you can take it from here. We've got a spare socket on this one you can go into.
You want to come around the other side?
You come around, yeah. Sorry, yes, you've got that. You need some power. One would think. Yeah. Unplug that a minute. And what we need to.
I was about to lift it up. No,
that's right. Yeah. That's we're just thinking about in terms of that comes in through there. So it's not a. I'm trying to work out the. There's a little. I wonder if that's a fuse. Oh, so I mean, did you check for a start? You checked the fuse in here. I won't double check that then. But then I'm wondering, there's a tiny little behind the back of here. Can you see that little white tube? I wonder if that's a fuse as well, or is that? It's not a light, is it? Because it wouldn't be a light there. I just wonder if. Just trying to think where that power comes in and where we can check how far it's getting. Oh no, actually it's the cable tie, isn't it? It's just thank you. It's just the cable grip to hold the cable, stop it pulling out. Okay. So then the power must come into the bottom of this column. That makes sense, doesn't it? To actually, so one would expect there to be voltage across these, and then it feeds because these cables here, which go the earth and the live and the neutral, all come from these columns. So if we're not getting apologies. It's not that I doubt you, but let me double check.
I agree.
So we're not chasing the wrong.
I know what you mean.
You've still got the lights on.
Yeah, I know. I didn't know whether to leave it in case.
No. Turn it off. Well, don't waste your battery. So we'll yeah.
Yeah, no. It's always easier to follow the procedure than to try and skip a step and then worry whether.
Interesting design of plug. Oh, it would help if I undid all the screws.
Middle one, not that one there.
Yes, of course. That's no. Me not paying attention. Yes, I've undone the cable connectors, haven't I? Yeah. We're away. Right, let's just check continuity on that. Hold that for me a sec. Top.
Yeah,
there you go. Right, so yes, the fuse is definitely okay. So we've not got a problem there. Now I've got to put it back together in.
I mean, I haven't checked cable, but
no, it doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like it.
Sort of thing.
No, that's right.
Hugely old toaster.
No. I mean, you don't remember an event that might have.
Not at all. No, just one day it didn't work.
Right.
And it wasn't being dodgy before it.
Right. No. Okay. Yeah.
That's why I was hoping it was a fuse.
Yeah. But well, well done for trying anyway to investigate. And I suppose what we could essentially try and do is try and simulate the. Obviously, we're then down to this whether or not how much this circuit board is influencing what's going on. It's obviously tied into. There's another circuit board behind the dial and the buttons on the side. So whether or not something has burnt out there. Nope. Yes. Any that you get a good signal on that one? Okay, it's all Methodist, all lowercase.
Guys, I have a favour to ask. We've had this headset brought in, and allegedly one of the speakers isn't working. But the trouble is,
You need a 3.5.
It's got a USB A or whatever, one of these. We just need to see.
Something will generate sound on a 3.5. Oh, I see.
So we
Right.
need to plug in play a sound through that.
Yes, I'm in the middle of doing the live stream from that.
All right. Has anyone else got any kind of machine that might?
I have got my own laptop.
Well, I don't want to.
No, 2 seconds. And get
All right, thanks. I won't disturb you from your other job, but. So we're live streaming.
Yep.
That's very interesting.
I'm hoping that means you'll fix it.
You're hoping
I'm hoping that means you'll fix it.
It's not easy to do the welding outside the box. Just need to get
Sorry for the distraction. Okay, where were we? So we've sorted the plug. So really, I was trying to do some checking of where the signal's getting to. Let's go back to the voltage. Right, so it's live again. And really, what we should be getting is, I'm pretty sure we should be getting live on. So that earth is connected to the bodywork. So if I put that on the bodywork, I should surely get. And I'm not getting a signal. I'm getting a very low voltage, about 1 volt, which is daft. So something isn't. I mean, I suppose it's possible that. Right, let's try it again. But if you push the lever down carefully, making sure you avoid anything that's metal.
No, yep.
Keep going. No. And that hasn't held, has it? Presumably, it will. Yeah. Let me try the other side. Go again. No. So, but what I don't understand, given that they're the first point of the power coming in, how is it not getting to any of these? That really doesn't make sense.
Well, you could check it with the resistance with the plug end.
Right.
See what I mean? Take the plug out and hold that against the.
Oh, I see. So continuity from there to there. Right. Okay. Yeah. No. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for that suggestion. Right. If you hold that in place for me.
Which is working.
Usually well, we'll give it a go on either side. The cables all over the place. That on there, and no. That possibly is our. Let's try the other side. Well, we'll try with the earth. So in theory, earth. Slipping about all over the place.
Yeah, should work. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
So, do you want to try that?
Well, yeah, indeed. That's what I was going to do.
Sorry.
One would think.
If it switched on live, wouldn't it?
But would one of those be a switching of neutral? Do you think? Or you think they're both live?
I don't know.
See, that's got a blue coming down. So one would think. Right. Okay, so we've got continuity. Let's go back to the live again. And try again.
Probably the outside one, your end, it should be then probably. That one is what it probably
What it should be, yeah. One would think, wouldn't you? So why is that? Yeah. I mean, definitely, yeah. If that's the opposite, you'd expect that to be where the. So it's a case of, does it come direct? So I suppose we could go the next step and dismantle some of the. It's not plugged in. Right, okay. Let's just try taking this off.
That I didn't know.
Yeah, no, understandably.
No, I wasn't sure where the problem.
Yeah.
I hadn't got as far as we got there.
It's a case of whether or not the wiring goes through this first, or if it goes. If it goes via the other controls, but one would think it would be switched here and then.
I've burnt a lot of toast under my grill in the last 3 weeks.
I suppose the possibility is that just the heaters actually you see, that's interesting. That's all neutral. But then
white. White.
So white is supplied to effectively white is live to the elements. So the live, right. So basically the live is coming in there, is coming through here. Now whether or not it's a direct connection from the live to a neutral, which seems a strange thing to do, but then I suppose what it's basically saying is, so this is the live side, then it goes to the elements, then it comes back from the elements, switched down to the other neutral, which goes back. But then where is the power to all that circuitry coming from? Right, we've got, okay, then we've got another neutral and white at this end. Okay, so those crossbars are just transferring to the center elements. Okay. Do some more continuity testing here, I suppose. So let's have a look. So what we're looking for. So in theory, the live on there should
be able to find some.
So if it comes in and it follows that and it comes to that blue there, then it should be continuous to that one. And it isn't. And yet that is where the light comes in from the main cable, comes into there. So unless there's a break in here, or there's a break there. But this, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that at all. I cannot believe a break has developed in there. How intriguing. There's no evidence of any breaks in that cable. How intriguing. And that's going definitely to that. When you open it up, oh, that's right. When you open up, the fuse is there, isn't it? Yes. Okay. So it's definitely okay. How intriguing. I am flummoxed because there is nothing. And I suppose what we could do is just get a pliers. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and slide this this heat sheathing and just double check this joint inside, which is the only place.
Oh yeah, because there would be a joint, wouldn't there? Yes, sir. Yeah.
But
seems unlikely.
It does seem very unlikely, doesn't it?
On the other hand,
we're clutching at straws otherwise, aren't we?
Sherlock Holmes or whatever.
Yeah.
You nearly got it out.
Yeah. I don't want to. Oh yeah, it's coming, isn't it? It's coming. There you go.
Can you get it far enough along? Yes.
How is that secured? Just a little
cable tie.
Looks like one, but it's not actually. It's just a bit of. It's a little clap on it. It's just there you go. Just enough to do this. No. What have we got there? All right,
what do you call it? A semester or what?
No idea. Let's check continuity between these two bits for a start.
Yeah, hope.
Yeah. No continuity. Right. So that
is the failed
path.
Right.
The why is debatable matter. So what? I mean, is that effectively just a fuse? Effectively, I suppose, isn't it? It's a very strange fuse. Well, that's your answer.
Right, okay.
So, you want to take a photograph of that and see if you can source one?
Yeah, maybe. Just about.
No, it is definitely. Yes.
Yeah. Has it got, I was wondering whether
we had a code on it or something.
Got writing on it. I couldn't.
Let's have a look. Well, I'm pleased we found what the problem is.
Yeah, that's brilliant.
Because that was challenging us, wasn't it?
Definitely. Yeah. Oh, it has got right.
Oh, right. Okay.
I don't know. I'd say probably with the internet buy one.
Yep.
What am I after? Oh, camera. That's it.
Is it better with or without the light on?
I don't know.
Sometimes they're better without because they auto-adjust better, don't they?
Okay. Yeah.
You haven't got the light on, so no. It turned it off when you opened the camera. Yeah.
Where am I? I've lost. There we are. More focus.
You can put it on a manual focus. The other option is if I put something like paper behind it.
Yeah, that'd be better.
Should be some preference. Try that. See if that helps it to focus.
Well, anyway, I can do it at home anyway. There it is. I think I've got it now.
Got enough detail, you think?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Micro temp.
Oh, so it's actually a combination of temperature and
250, and then it's got all other stuff. Yeah.
Can you read enough detail to make sure you get the right spec?
I reckon I have. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
fine. Yep.
Right.
Okay. Well, thanks very much.
Not at all. So, what do you want to do in terms of how much do we want to put it back together? I suppose, given that that's the only bit that we can put this certainly back together, can't we? There's no reason to not put that bit back.
Yeah.
Let's put those little screws in.
I think my best repair work was on a washing machine. Replacing the bearings.
Oh, well done. Wow, that's an achievement.
I think the washing machine was only about 2 years old.
Oh, that's frustrating. Okay.
And it's now about 16 years old. So
Well done.
I said to
That's
myself,
quite an achievement.
I think it must have been a Friday afternoon job. You know. But that was, well, it might have been longer ago than that, because I remember following a slideshow on something on the internet. It was before the days of YouTube videos. I was amazed somebody had done it, you know, put up a slideshow on how to do it. Yeah. But I think a lot of the washing machines, a bit like the toasters, were made in a very similar way.
Right. I'm failing miserably here. Come on.
Yeah, we have.
Try again. Come on.
Unfortunately, there are no tandies around anymore.
There was no
Tandies.
Oh, right. Yeah.
It's where you used to go to get that sort of thing.
Yes.
I'm online.
There are still some Macklins around, which, few and far between. There's one in Wood Green.
No, that one closed ages ago.
Did it?
Unless you opened a new one somewhere.
Oh, right, okay. I must admit, it's been a few years since I've been to it, but...
I think it closed about 8 years ago.
Oh, what was that?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought I'd been more recently, but maybe not.
Maybe 6 years. Normally, when I think about the dates, I'm wrong and it's longer time rather than shorter time. Yeah. I'm not sure I like their use of colour, the way the line changes colour to blue.
No, it's an interesting idea. And I suppose, yeah.
I mean, if you're unsure, maybe put white or some other colour.
Yeah.
But blue,
Yeah. It's hardly on the exit side of the load, is it?
No.
Interesting. I had a conversation with my colleague here that very involved with on sustainability. You know, about the whole thing about how electrics work from a a point of view of, he was saying you can't get a shock from the neutron. I said, are you sure? Because effectively, in my view, I said to him, it's almost like water in a hose.
Yeah.
Once it's come out of the hose, it's lost its pressure, but it's still got flow, and so it might not have the 240 volts, but it's still got the flow of electrons that can give you a bit of a jolt. So, right. But he was saying that, is it about
that?
No, I was going to say yes. Yeah, I just pop that inside. Right. Okay. Fine. He was saying that, is it because it's AC and the current is moving backwards and forwards? Yeah. That in effect, you haven't got electrons moving along. You've just got you've just got the pulses going backwards and forwards, in which case what happens after it's been through its load? Does the neutral not have any pulses, or is it so getting into that whole neither of us are electricians, so interesting debate.
But it is good nowadays that a lot of the problems like this, you can just go onto YouTube.
Yes.
I've done a few things.
Oh, well done. You can come and join the team as a fixer.
Trouble is, when I've done the bits that YouTube tells me, that's when I was absolutely stuck.
Right.
Don't have the knowledge.
Yeah.
Well, the battery don't replace it. I'm just trying to find somewhere that.
1 moment.
To get a new multimeter, mine broke.
Oh no! Right, no, they're an essential tool, aren't they?
They are.
I've not put them right away because I wonder if they are not quite aligned. So yeah. Right. So give a report for those on the desk.
I will.
Don't forget that. No. Put that back again. Give this back to words. And all the best with finding your parts.
Well,
yeah. I mean, it's not that old that you shouldn't be able to, I suspect.
Okay. So I know you're busy, so
I don't know whether it's a part that I get because it's the part of the toaster or it's something
else that's a generic. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
No idea.
You've probably got enough information there to be able to get the right part. Excellent.
David's just
All right. Anyway,
Okay.
thanks a lot.
You're very welcome, Stephen. Not at all.
Thank you. Money in the tin.
Good man. That'd be appreciated.